serve unclean dishes to your guest. So we will see the ingredients for Rava Kesari. As well, we need ghee, we need sugar, we need cashew, and ready-made Rava Kesari. This is bread I bought from the shop, so you can find it in any shops. And we need water for 800 milliliters. That's all the ingredients are. So now it's time to make Rava Kesari. It's coming soon. Need ghee, maybe 2 spoons of ghee. Yes. Fry this cashew. Very, very beautiful color. We need to take this and put aside. Then right now we are pouring this Rava ready-made powder. Look at this. Now we're gonna add sugar, 3 spoons of sugar. Just pour like this. To make it very sweet. 100 milliliter water. Just make sure it hit 100 ml, okay? Yeah. Right now we're gonna add some few pinch of salt just to increase the sweetness. And you seeing this Rava Kesari, look at the thickness. Yeah. We're gonna add ghee, okay? Just in case. It is enough. Okay, look at this. And right now I'm gonna mix this ghee with this Rava Kesari. Look at the texture. Texture is very thick, and it's gonna be yummy. Rava Kesari is done. Just it's time to decorate Rava Kesari, and now I'm gonna serve to my guest. Okay? Wait, let's see. Take this bowl and something like this. Yeah, oh my goodness. It smells so good. Oh my god, I wish I do. Gonna let this cool, but before that, we have to press on the top because we need a shape of kesari. Kesari is not look like this, okay? For information, just take one plastic, put your hand, and remember the cashew that we fried just before we did this Rava Kesari? Here we are. So we're gonna take this cashew, just pour like this. This is the step 3. Okay, the step 3 is how to decorate this Rava Kesari. If you wish, you maybe add some nuts, some peanuts, anything you can decorate with any nuts. Okay. Okay guys, it's ready.